full, let me straight to the brain. Alright, yeah.
Okay guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's Jay Ayyo. So today we are here to unbox this 32-inch Toshiba TV, whatever you call these things, TVs. So this comes in with a built-in Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube. So it has like contrast enhancement, which like makes the color really good, and it has HDMI, Dolby Audio. So let's unpack it. Okay guys, so we're gonna be beginning unboxing this 32-inch Toshiba TV. Let's go. Right, so I haven't seen this before. I'm used to Samsung TVs. Toshiba this probably is like my first Toshiba TV monitor. So voila, so it comes with one remote, it comes with, I believe, a stand. Just want to make sure this doesn't drop. So let's push it up. Okay. So it comes with one remote, one stand, then it comes to another stand. Let's see. Let's go. I think this is one. Okay. Oops. Okay, now we gotta be careful. So this is the 32-inch Toshiba TV monitor. I'm gonna tear that bad boy off. Okay, you want to make sure, right? So this comes with 2 HDMI connectors, a USB, and a cable connector. Nobody uses like cable anymore. Everyone does, you know, live streaming or on demand. Oops. So I'm gonna take this off. So it comes with 2 stands, right? So we want to make sure we hook up the 2 stands. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it over. It is. So you want to make sure. Right. So that's one thing. So we're just gonna put it aside right here. Oops. Just give me 1 minute. Then we have the manual, which is really important. So we're gonna push aside the box. Okay guys, after you've done unboxing your Toshiba 32-inch TV, you're going to want to get you a screwdriver, right? Because we're gonna have to put in some screws, which comes in the bag. You should read the manual, instruction manual, and it comes with 2 batteries. So we're gonna get on this. We're gonna hold the monitor. So you're gonna want to match it up like this, right? Then I want to take out screwdrivers here. Put it on the table here. Right. You want to make sure it goes in. Right. So it might take a little while. You just want to ensure it goes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure my 2 screwdrivers are in the designated. So yeah. So we're gonna put in our screwdrivers here. So we should be ready to go or finish in a couple minutes. So yeah, I usually like doing these things because it's relaxing. Okay, so you're gonna line up your screwdrivers or your screws, and then you're gonna, if you're a pro, you don't need to look. Well, okay, this is okay. See. Okay, there might be a problem in that it's working, but we're gonna double check something here. I might need to get another screwdriver because alright, hold on 1 minute. Okay guys, so when one screwdriver doesn't work, you make sure you have 2 backup screwdrivers just to make sure you get the job done correctamente. So, as I was saying, oh, there might be a problem here as well. Right, you want to make sure that the screwdriver you have does not have a wide end because it won't work because of the width on the screwdriver, because it has to be slender. So you want to ensure you have a slender screwdriver like this, and you want to make sure it's properly secured. So this usually should take no more than like 40 to 60 seconds. We're gonna look at a little bit of the features. As I've said, this comes with the Amazon built-in setup. So it's a smart TV. So certain TVs that were made before 2015 don't have the smart setup where you can just turn on the TV and go to YouTube or go to Amazon Prime. Alright? So now that we've connected it, right? We're only halfway completed. We want to make sure we have power. So we're just gonna unwrap the power cord for the TV. And it does come with a back to put up on the if you buy a stand, you can put it up on your wall in the room or wherever you like. And this is the Toshiba. Now, we did get 2 batteries and a remote. It does come with the battery and a remote, as you can see, with power on. It is working. So it's doing some system check. So the two batteries.
To use accessibility shortcuts, press and hold the mute button.
Okay, yeah. So that's how you know. So you have different options: English, Spanish, French, Chinese, Mandarin or Canton, and Dutch. So we'll be using English because we speak English, but we're keeping it in English, right? So yeah. So you're gonna select English. You're gonna select your internet supporter. So guys, after setting up your internet thing, you should be able to connect to the internet. Most TVs can't connect to the internet, interesting fact. So that's how you know it's a smart TV, because it's usually like an iPhone or something like that. I believe the region that we will be using is the USA. Yeah, we'll be using, let's see, St. Martin, Trinidad, Puerto Rico, Mexico, there's Jamaica. I don't know if that would be what you want to set up. So we'll go with the USA instead of Eastern, I guess Eastern. Okay, so then you go through all your data sharing privacy. Okay, so you say you agree with all of that. You read it. Okay, decline and disable smart features. In order to use interactive with smart devices such as Apple, you must agree to the end. Bah. Is there one that we skip? Okay, so now we're in. So we have Netflix, we have Disney, we have YouTube, we have Apple TV, and that's how you set it up. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video with Jay Ayyo on how to set up your Toshiba 32-inch. As I said, it does come with Amazon Prime, it does come with Netflix and YouTube. You do have the capability to have an HDMI connected to your laptop. You just have to change the outputs. Everything is, you know, pretty much here. If you want to go to YouTube, you just click YouTube. If you want to go to Disney Plus, put in your subscription details. When you go to input, or when you select input, ideally when you've connected your HDMI 1 to your laptop, it will show up. There is the ability to screen share, which is, you know, showing access to something or showing someone something. So that's a pretty cool feature. And yeah, don't forget to read the instructions at the end of the day. That comes with this manual as well. So that's how you unbox the Toshiba 32-inch with Jay Ayyo.
They fall from them straight to the brain.